Hey folks, let me show you this ultimate Firelink machine. It is here in Zapata County. You are going to be picking it up in Zapata. Remember, there's no minimum, no reserves. This is going to be machine number B-286. 286 confiscated in the latter part of 23. We have been commissioned to sell these machines. Tenemos esta máquina. Es una ultimate Firelink máquina juego estilo casino. La tenemos aquí en Zapata, Texas, para el condado de Zapata, para el sheriff. Máquina número B-286. This one does have a little damage to the screen. It is cracked. You will need to replace this monitor. Vamos esta sí tiene la pantalla un golpe aquí, pero sí está trabajando, sí está prendida. Let me meter el dólar so you can see. Put a dollar in here so you can see that it is running, it is working. We do have it on. It does have a little bit of damage, but that's something that can easily be taken care of. There we go. You're going to pick it up here in Zapata, Texas for cmauctions.com.